Hello everyone. In this video, we will show how to assign the loads that we defined, if you remember, in the previous video for this mass timber structure. For simplicity of this example, I will define just 3 load cases from the ones I defined: dead load, live load, and a wind load. You can assign loads using these tools here. So let's select the panel area load. You can select the load case of interest, in this case dead load. You can define the projection, so I will select global, and define minus 1.2 kPAs for all my stories in this structure. So this will be assigned to every panel I have. So I just need to, with the mouse, click and drag all those panels to assign the load. When you assign loads, these are also specified in the loads spreadsheets. So you see the panel area loads, and you can see the load panels that we just applied and the values. And if you select one panel here in the spreadsheet, it will get highlighted in the graphical user interface, also called GUI. Let's now define the live load. In the same way, I will assign minus 4.8, and for this I will select the front view to assign it to the first 3 levels of my structure by using the mouse. Then I can assign a roof dead load for this same load case, and this will be much more or less about minus 1.9 just for the roof. And the last load case I'm going to define is the wind load. So I select my wind load, make sure I specify my joint load. I'm going to apply some joint loads, not in the negative Z direction, but in the Fy, about 1 kilonewton. And this will be assigned to every node except for the supports in my model. And you can see here, you can use the physical element view to see every node which has this load assigned. For running an analysis, it's always a good idea to run some integrity checks to see if there's anything unusual in your model. And now we are ready to run an analysis. If I go to run analysis, start by running a static linear analysis and click run. It's going to ask you to save the model. So I just click yes. And once the model is analyzed, you will be able to see the solver output in case you have any messages. So in this case, I just have 3 messages, no load for some of the load keys I defined, which is expected. For the next video, we will take a look at some of the results that we see here in the design output. Thank you.